In front of me is Black Shark 5 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can use pop-up view on this device. First of all, you need to click on this square button and tap on the top left corner on Floating Windows feature. Now select an app that you wish to open, like Playstar, and as you can see, now I can use it in this little window over here. If you wish to move it, just hold it and drag it. Then let go. If you wish to use it to overlay other apps, select the other one and operate in both of them. If you wish to close this app though, you can always click on the same square button and simply close it in the background. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!